about what to do with the snake plant. Is it visible? Yeah, it is now.
I can see it.
Yeah, and you had told me that to remove the leaves and dry it and this and that. I did all that, and sir, there is a nice small pup.
Congratulations! It works. It works.
Yes, yes. I was so happy, sir, to see this pup. No, there's a
Yeah.
small pup. I don't know if you're able to see it.
It is too difficult.
No, I will. Whatever I need.
Krishnan madam, you have a virtual background. That's the reason we are unable to see. If you can stop that virtual background, then probably we'll be able to see it.
Remove my virtual background. I had done that. I'll
You
just go
can
to
post
Zoom
the
and.
image that what you got a success out of it. So similarly, there are many
Yeah,
things can be
I got
sorted
a
out.
success, sir, but the query I had is now what is happening? The original plant has become, it's starting to wilt.
Wilt means you're putting more water.
But the pup is growing well.
You're putting more water.
But the pup is
It
growing
will
well.
grow. It
So
will
should
grow.
I reduce water? Or
Water
should
flow
I
you reduce and
replant
cut
the mother?
the mother leaf. Mother plant, you cut it once again, make a pieces and plant it. It will come beautifully well.
So
You will
should
have
I
more.
uproot the whole thing? I need to uproot the whole thing, is it?
No. Cut the leaf only.
Okay, at the base you mean, no?
Yeah.
Okay, wonderful. I'll do that, sir. I'll do that.
Good.
Thank you.
Yeah. Mr. Pradeep sir, can I? Topic will be on a plantation, basically indoor plantation. Indoor plantation means it is a container based. So we need to be very careful while selecting a container for a plant to be planted so that it gets the natural environment. And the main problem everybody faces is more watering or less watering, or drainage is a problem. Water is not sweeping out of the plants. So we need to select a plant which will take care of this basic requirement of making the drainage very easily and a natural way. Nowadays, are using a plastic. Plastic has an advantage of durability and other things, but unfortunately, it will not support the drainage of the soil or water which is put into the pot, not drained properly unless and until we make a holes out of it or we make a mixture out of it. So many advantages, disadvantages are there with the plastic. But we have many more options available now. For example, this is a cocoa. I think, how do I change the camera? You can see the pots. These are the required-made natural pots. Suppose you put a water in it, it will drain automatically. So water will not be stored in the pot at all. This will be the basic requirement of a plant which we can maintain. No sogging of a soil mix or any contamination to the roots or rhizomes. So you are protecting your own plant by putting in a system where the naturally drainage is available. It absorbs the water what is required for the plant, and it will leave away the excess of water which we are putting it. Actually speaking, water is the media through which the nutrients are diluted and the roots will absorb and the plant will grow. Not because of water, plant doesn't grow. It is only because it helps in converting or diluting the contents in the soil mix, which will be absorbed by the root. It helps in circulation of the information, nutrients to the plants. So we need to take care of it. That's the reason we have n number of plants, n number of requirements. Certain plants require water, certain plants doesn't require water. It means they are got a special facility of absorbing water from the nature, or from the atmosphere, root has a capacity to absorb, or it has a storage capacity of a water in the plant itself. So those we will discuss one by one. But this is going to make a lot of difference. For example, if you're using this, then one more, which I told you yesterday during my last discussion. Nowadays, we're all talking about recycling of plastic. Many people are doing a recycling, and you are also supporting the activity. Now, let us utilize the recycled plastic into our plantation also. There is somebody who has utilized those fabrics and created a fabric which is porous in nature, which will act similar to this, which will totally drain out excess of water. I'll show you the pot itself to you. That's what I showed you, the vertical garden. We can create a vertical garden. See, these are the pots available. This is once again a useful for to stop to have any problem related to excess of water in our plant container, so that we can avoid many more problems. It will retain what is required. And secondly, when you are making a mixture, we have to be very careful. We are putting in a container. It means it doesn't have any access to natural minerals, vitamins, or any kind of a supplements required to the plant. Those things has to be put, and these containers should have the capacity to retain those things for a longer period. It should not drain out everything. So to avoid plastic use, and second thing, it doesn't have any additional benefit rather than a long life, durability. I would like to promote a concept where we can replace with the natural resources like a cocoa coir or recycled plastics, which will encourage recycling industry and reducing a lot of plastic pollution which is happening all over the world. So environmental friendly it is, supporting somebody to make it. And second thing, this, you can see a sheet. This is a coir sheet. How best we can utilize this? This will work as a mulching to the plants, natural mulching to the plants, so that excess water or excess sunlight will not reach to the plant, or whatever the leaves fall off, it will not get contaminated with the existing soil mixture. So these small things will be taken at the beginning itself, so that we can avoid it. And
So where do
especially
we
if you are
place this
interested,
plate? So where do we place this? The thing which you showed just now.
एक plant दे देना. I'll show you. Whatever. इसको पकड़. This hole. Can you see?
Yeah.
I
Okay.
use that. This will go into the mud. This will become a barrier between the soil and the external atmosphere. So you are protecting the total plant roots and stems away from it, so that this leaves will never get in contact with the soil, so that they will never get damaged. Especially for in the case of if you are creating a vegetable garden or succulent, the moment succulent leaves touches the soil, they get rotten. You can avoid totally here. Today I have developed, I got the succulent. So छोटा वाला tray देना जो बनाया ना, नहीं वो बाजू वाला.
एंड सर ये जो कोको कॉयर और आपने जो रिसाइकल प्लास्टिक का भी पॉट्स बताया व्हिच ड्रेन आउट द एक्सेस वाटर, सो सिंस दे ड्रेन आउट द एक्सेस वाटर, उनके नीचे कोई और पॉट रखने का भी जरूरत पड़ता है क्या? वी नीड टू कीप दोस पॉट्स इनटू सम अदर कंटेनर.
Give me 5 minutes, I'll tell you what is the solution for that.
Okay.
See, this is once again a similar. Can you see it? I'm using the same cocoa sheet for germination purpose also. Cuttings can be put through this so that they germinate well. And the question which Lakshmi asked, if you are putting excess of water, and I would like to introduce one more thing, is how to be, why most of our plants get rotten, or some mealybugs are coming, some insects are coming, spiders are coming, ants are coming. It's only because of the soil mix. Soil has built in many more bacteria, good, bad, everything is there. And this is a natural home for those insects, mealybugs, and everything get generated. Instead of that, I'll be using some growing media which will replace totally the mud and which will absorb all natural ingredients. And second thing, whatever the drainage comes, yes, we have to put a pot to collect the water. But the contents, what we are putting it will absorb and store there, but it will not slog. Water logging will be not happening in the container. Those things will be demonstrated one by one. The main objective of today is, it starts with a container. If you are starting with an indoor plantation, you should know what container you need to select. There are containers shallow in nature. बर्तन वाला जन पीछे जो पीछे बर्तन, हाँ वो बर्तन गोल वाला, इधर इधर बर्तन, हाँ वो. See, this is shallow. Height is very less. Where to use such kind of containers? Where to use the height one? 8 inches where to be used, 12 inches where to be used, 6 inches where to be used. It all depends upon the plant that you are selecting it and the nature it grows. Does the root goes deep inside? Then you need to have a higher depth. If the roots are superficial, you can reduce the depth of the container. Thirdly, there are certain things which requires a shallow so that the roots can be made visible, especially in bonsais and other things. The beauty of the plant looks better when the roots are seen above the soil level. So these are the questions, answers, problems which can be tackled at the initial stage itself. Because we are getting into an activity or we are doing so enthusiastically a plantation. The success depends upon the ingredient in it. What all we are going to think about. Whether the plant requires the deeper soil mix, or it needs soil mix, or it needs wide open. If you put in a container which is very small mouth, then the growth gets restricted. Then you'll have more roots coming out of it. In some cases, it is beneficial so that more puppies will come out of it. In some cases, it becomes a problem, root rotting happens. So it depends upon what plant you are selecting it, what nature it has, what results that we are anticipating, or naturally those plants are to be. For example, if you are growing something with the bulbs, Amar lily is there, Rajnigandha is there, lily is there, water lily is there. Even lotus bulbs are also available. Rhizomes are also available. Those, how to grow it, where to grow it, what kind of a container. If you select a proper container, most of your problems are solved in the initial stage itself. So that you are not excessively watering it. Suppose if the plant needs less water and you have a container which is very big, naturally whatever the water you put it, the whole pot will store it. The requirement is very less. And naturally the roots will get rotten because they are getting excess water. They are in the water along with sluggy soil mix, which may contaminate, because longer the period of a water staying there, it may contaminate the soil mix. So generate many more bacteria, ants, spiders, many more area. And thirdly, the best part of this particular pot is even the roots require air circulation. In a plastic, it is totally not possible. But in these cases, ventilation of a way air is also possible. This porous pots, whether you are using a mud one, whether you are using the cocoa coir, or you are using a plastic fiber, which is recycled bottles into a converted into fabric. Fabric is used for recycling, potting purpose. So it is all up to us to decide what should be done. The initial step taken will definitely help us to grow the plants in a much better way. Now I can show you a number of benefits of natural and a plastic, but we'll discuss later. Any questions from the people?
Yes, I would like to know where you get this cocoa sheet. Is it available in
Cocoa
the
sheet,
nursery?
I am getting it done according to my requirements from the different manufacturers in Kerala and Tamil Nadu.
Okay, so it won't be
And
available.
this, it is available with me. At present, in my place, I have nearly around 200 square meter. Sheets are also available. Cut pieces are also available. And soaked one, non-soaked one. And how to stick two coir sheets. That also I'll tell you as and when the situation comes.
Okay, thank you.
See, this is a sheet I have used it to make a pot in a different way. Even I use the macrame knots also to give a beauty to it. How do we stick together? How to make it one by one? I'll be explaining to people so that your plant has every decoration of your choice. When you make your own, it becomes your own. Then the affection, care, and concern will be much higher as compared to any other things. Anybody else?
So one more question. ये
Yeah.
जो अपना कॉयर का पॉट है या फिर वो रिसाइकल प्लास्टिक का शीट्स है, when we plant into that, and as you said that we'll need another container if the excess water comes out of it, to collect that we'll have to put those recycled sheet pots or the coir pots into another maybe a plastic pot or any container. तो वो पानी भी इसके अंदर पड़ा रहेगा तो वो सॉगिंग नहीं होगा, उसको निकालना पड़ेगा ना?
These are the pots.
Okay.
These are earthen pots kept below it.
Kind of plates.
This is a plate only.
Okay.
And second thing is, when the water comes out of it, it means excess water. The basic theory of osmosis is from higher to lesser, not lesser to higher. Water will go up when totally the upper soil is dry. When you put excess water is getting collected here. Immediately it will not reabsorb by the plant. It will only absorb when the concentration, upper portion becomes dry, then only they start sucking it from the top.
Okay, तो उसको निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है. The water can lie there and then when required it will start taking it up.
Yes. It will reverse osmosis.
So you're saying
Anybody
that
else?
we should not throw the water out, right?
See, these pots will not give excess water.
Okay, okay.
And second thing, water schedule for each plant is different. That we need to understand it. When to water it. And many of us put excess water in tulsi and will make sure that it dies.
I've been lucky in that one. At least my tulsi, people keep telling tera tulsi marta nahi hai. My mother keeps telling you're not giving enough water, but it's been there. Probably the trick is to have not been watering it in excess.
It doesn't require that much water. And second thing is, tulsi's pot should have, soil mix should have reti, sand.
Yeah. It does.
If you put sand and some other ingredients, tulsi will become a very big tree kind of a thing. I have a 3-year-old tulsi at my place.
But why does tulsi
I
attract black small insects, sir? मेरा तुलसी में बार-बार वो black insects लगता है.
Then you start putting that baking soda in the soil. It will go off.
Oh, sir, this
Baking
problem
soda.
which Lakshmi is mentioning,
Right.
no?
Baking soda,
In the soil.
take a half in the soil.
Means ऊपर ही डाल
On the
देंगे
top
तो
of the
भी
soil,
चलेगा.
chalega, yeah. When you put water, it will go inside.
Sorry, ma'am, you were
It will
saying
kill
something.
Sir,
ants.
this is.
Yeah.
Sorry, Lakshmi,
Go
I
ahead, go ahead.
interrupted you.
No,
Are you
go
done
ahead.
with your question?
Yeah, she is clear with it. And
Okay.
what I was saying,
My
is, it
problem
will
is
take
in the pot which I have. I don't have a problem. I have a balcony where, not balcony, but it's a window kind of a thing where I have. There the tulsi is fine, but at my farmhouse the tulsi always attracts these insects. So
Yeah.
even for an open in land also the same baking soda is good.
see, baking soda is good for anywhere. And when you are doing a composting, if you are doing a composting activity,
I do.
sprinkle the baking soda on the top of it. It will be faster. No smell will come out of it.
Okay, no, I don't have a problem with it because I do it in 2
Yeah,
earthen
I'm just
pots
telling
here. But maybe in case somebody wants a tip, I will pass this tip to them.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Anybody else has any questions, or you are the only 3 people in the group?
Vijay, I had a question. Not a question actually. I use this neem powder
Yeah.
for my plants because they have been attracting a lot of bugs in the garden.
Hello.
So I directly apply it to the soil. So is the baking soda better or the neem powder is better?
See, neem khali or neem powder, whatever you say. Is it a neem khali or it is a powdered neem seeds?
Powdered neem.
Don't use powdered neem seeds at all.
Okay.
It is not effective at all
Okay.
because it has oil in it. Oil is not extracted out of it. That's the reason it will not act that easily, or it is slow one.
Okay.
You use neem khali instead of a neem
Indoor, outdoor,
neem
everything actually.
seeds.
Okay.
Neem
All
seed powder is good for some
No, he's talking
medical
about something else,
applications,
doubt right now.
not for the plantations. Neem khali is very good.
Okay.
Arey,
But is neem khali better or baking soda better or it doesn't matter?
He's saying something which
Soil mix should have a
I
neem
already
khali
had some core doubts already,
Okay.
and it looks like I'm
when you're
hogging the
planting it.
conversation.
Or
Okay.
whenever you are repotting it, that time add neem khali into the soil mix.
Okay.
And baking soda is a regularly every 15 days you sprinkle on it. It will act as a what do you call active catalyst to generate more flowers, more fruits. It will take care of many more pests. You will avoid many more pests.
Okay.
And
I'll try
second
that.
thing, baking soda, if you want to sprinkle on the leaves, just take 1 liter of water, take a half spoon of a baking soda. First test on 1 leaf. If they wrinkle, dilute more. If it doesn't wrinkle, you go on using it, you will have a much better foliage also. It will help the photosynthesis. Second thing is, don't only water on the top of the leaf, always bottom of it, where the porous things are there, where the exchange of oxygen or many more things happens from the lower side of the leaf rather than the top side of the leaf. Those things has to be taken. We'll be doing a demonstration of every activity, whatever I'm talking about now. And plant garage, the main objective is if any plant is not doing well, bring it to Lopuram, bungalow number 15. I'll make sure your plant is revived within 10 to 15 days time. Even if it is totally dried out plant, bring it. We'll work on it. Anybody else?
Thank you, Vijay.
Yeah. Any other question?
I have the tomato
Krishnamurthy,
plant
sir.
which is completely dried out, sir. Can I bring that?
Please bring it. I'll try it out. 99%, most of the vegetable plants, they die because of the calcium support is not given, and once again the excess of water.
Excessive?
Excessive water. Or the soil may not be conducive. You have already put everything, but it is not accepting it.
The
Any other
meeting will be
question?
ending in another 10 minutes, sir. So
Yeah, Savant madam. Supriya
Yes,
Savant. Any questions?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
No, sir.
No. Have you got any good information today?
Yes.
We'll be in touch to all the people. Krishnamurthy sir, how are you? You are muted. You are muted. Anybody has any question? Patil madam.
yeah, somebody has raised the hand with the iPhone as the name. Can you please? I think, sir, you have some question or something. Your hand is raised. Unmute, sir. Unmute.
Krishnamurthy. iPhone is Krishnamurthy. Unmute. You're muted.
Please unmute, sir. Please unmute.
If you can do it from your angle, just see.
Sorry for my interruption earlier. I forgot to mute myself. My husband had called.
No problem.
Yeah.
I have a question. I'd thrown
Yeah,
few
please.
capsicum seeds in one of the pots and they have sprouted and seedlings have come. Any suggestions, sir? What kind of pot I should transplant it into?
You can take, suppose you have a 8-inch pot at your home, smaller
I
one,
do.
plastic, whatever you have it, repot it there, definitely they will come.
Okay. And any specific tips on what kind of, because we are heavy coffee drinkers. So we use the decoction coffee on a regular basis. So normally I put it into compost. So is this a good thing to directly put in rose bushes and any specific plants? Because people say it's a good idea.
Coffee will not use, see, why coffee or a tea powder is put is to make the soil acidic.
Okay.
And if you are just boiling only the tea powder without adding a sugar to it, you dry it out, powder it, then put it. Don't put directly. See, anything concentrated will harm the plants. Make it first, then put it.
Okay. Same thing
All
with
the
the coffee as well?
Coffee will help only to, what do you call, millibugs and other things can be removed. You can combine coffee, 1 spoon of a coffee powder, 1 spoon of neem oil, 1 spoon of a, what do you call,
Liquid hand
soap,
wash.
liquid soap. In 2 liters, spray it. That will help to clear the bugs and spiders and other things.
Okay, fine. Thanks.
That is not a supplement.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes,
only
Krishnamurthy
6 minutes. Sir, only 6 minutes remaining.
I was saying, in the tomato
Krishnamurthy,
plant, you said calcium is less. That's why it is not growing. How to add for calcium?
Calcium, there are a number of contents are available. You can put the chalk pieces there, or you can put the banana peels into the put it into the water, stored water. You can put it into the plants directly. And third thing is bone meal is available, oil is available. There are so many other components which are available, natural one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yes, iPhone. First, introduce yourself.
Okay.
Okay.
That is my phone.
Yeah, I got it. Last question, anybody has it? Otherwise, we are next week we'll be taking official Zoom. This time it is a free session that we are doing. Restrictions are there, time restrictions. Anybody has any question? Patil madam is showing a bright sun. Joshi Anaga madam.
Your Lokpuram is closing today, no?
I was there.
No, it is not available from tomorrow.
I will available tomorrow also. 4 to 8 o'clock, I'll be definitely available in the garage, plant garage. You can come anytime. We'll talk about
What
the next
time-
session on
What
independent.
time, sir, what
indep-
time will we come to the garage?
Well, we'll come to the conclusion. We'll have a next session completing on a selection of our plants for a Diamond Jubilee celebration of Indian independence. If anybody interested can participate it, you can select 10 plants out of it. We'll start from a seedling to a plant, then hand over to you on a 15th of August. Our dream, please help me out. 75,000 plants kept at a place, taken care completely, made sure that it is planted well. On a 15th of August, let's do something which will make an environment better, satisfaction, and a individual satisfaction also. We'll talk about, discuss about it. Please invite your friends and other people to be a part of the group. Slowly we'll grow. Yesterday there was 60, today is 70. Some people left because of some reasons. I don't know about it, but definitely we'll take it further. Any suggestions or any of your plants are not doing well or they are doing extremely well, you can put your stories in the group so that other people get motivated. My mistake, I put it very directly so that others should not do it. Our negatives also can become an asset if you put it in a right spirit. Anything is there, please let me know in the group. We'll continue on.
Sir, what time can we
And we'll
visit
be
the
putting
garage?
4 to 8.
Thank you so
I'll-
much, sir. It was a
Lokpuram.
very informative session today. Thank you so much.
We'll meet once again regularly, make the dream of contributing to the environment in an individual capacity, and collectively we can make a miracle. Individually, I can only think about it, and collectively we can definitely make a difference to society, and we can motivate many more people. 750 families come, but they should participate. And I don't want to sell the plant. If they are assuring me that they will take care of it, then only the plants will be provided to them. I have money, I want to buy a project. No. Before ending, I would like to show the loveliest one
Very
plant.
nice.
How many puppies are there? 47 puppies in one plant. Such kind of things I would like to people in the 10 selections. There are about 50 to 60 different varieties of succulents will be there. Rare plants will be there. Anthurium, orchid. So many nature loving and most attractive plants will be in the list of a 75, which will act as the air purifier also and add aesthetic value to the room also. Plus, you can have germinated one more plant out of it and give it to many more people so that the journey of reducing one and producing one can be continued. Thank you very much for your valuable time. We'll meet very soon with a new topic. Any
Thank you,
requirement you
Vijay.
can get. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you very much.